Hello, Troubleshooting here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues on Notion app on iOS. First, what you want to do is go check for the update on App Store. Search bar, Notion. Go here. Take your Notion app, and when I have the open bar, there should be update bar if it is available. If it's not, does mean that you have the newest version of the app and everything should be alright. But if it's not, I show you more ways to fix it. Go up to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, Notion, right here, and set up the settings to the fabric, like mine. Here the Siri, here the search, background app refresh, and the language doesn't matter. But after this, if you have still some issues, some problems with your app, you should just go here, remove the app, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and bye.